got super for the next invader. Right here.
There's a shiny guy back here.
Feel like I spend more time on my own, but I
Went up these stairs, there's like 10.
Yeah, feel like my phone don't ring as much as it should be.
There's a bunch right by where I am. Oh, you see him.
Alright, yeah, come bank him.
It's us against the world. I'm okay. Feel like I'm okay. Reassure myself for these astral planes. Outside looking in, trying to get back to my astral plane. Mentally, I'm feeling that sick. I think
alright, let's get these last few.
It's been a minute since I had to square up for anybody wanna they can get it.
Oh, there's a shiny boy back here. Come get it.
Spend a lot of time alone. Feel like punishment, but I need it though. What's my fate? Silver spoon, I can't relate. I ain't really coming out of plane. Now I'm probably in my cave, Bruce Wayne with a cave, meditate, how to play every step's already smoke good, think better, don't say my house. Got too much.
Alright, you got plenty.
I stay at home on the holidays.
Alright, I've got super, all that stuff.
Wait, let me deposit.
I'm gonna go invade you.
I'm fine. Mentally, I feel so far away.
Oh,
But I keep thinking
that's right. I did something weird where I picked up one like after.
body shit, but I'm okay. Namaste, sakase, KABOODLE, I'm fine. Yeah,
Oh yes, I stopped his
I
ult.
need a queen to massage me. I pay you back, that's a quality. I need the end of massaging it. I need you to show him some
I love killing people in this mode.
So we trying to flip the economy. I'm working, I got it. Soon we'll be living in harmony. I don't got nothing but honesty. I think to myself when I fall asleep.
Got power?
Like what can I learn from this bag of my odyssey? Piece of my autobiography.
Is it up there?
It's the end of the
Yep,
night
it's
and
up.
the
Let me
sky
grab
is
it.
mahogany.
Oh, let me grab it. Let me grab it.
Okay, go ahead.
Keep me some company. We wasn't wearing a dungaree.
Oh shit,
And I
shit,
found
shit,
like
kill him,
Looking,
kill him.
Isn't the grip in the sit here while thinking about our existence? I'm smitten, but catching these feelings, forgetting commitment just isn't.
Oh,
bullshit.
Everything living diminishes. You say
Yeah.
nigga shit out and just hit the shit. You be thinking
Okay,
too
we
much
got
of your
this.
innocence. You should get
We only need to do what?
How many did you deposit?
I stay at home
Okay,
on the
so we need to do 30.
Home body
Let's do like
No,
35.
we just need to win this round. So you only have to maintain this round.
Oh yeah.
Mentally, I
We
feel
just
so far
don't. We
away.
just can't die.
We can't lose any modes.
That's fine. We'll just deposit like 5 at a time or whatever. So there's no chance
But
that
I'm okay. Namaste, sakase, KABOODLE, I'm fine. Now if you feel this shit, just twist one up. Put your fist aside. This your cut. I got visions, bruh. Every day I feel like something's missing. Fuck your way. Feel like fuck your height. Fuck your fashion trend. You ain't about to change the world for shit. You love to pretend. Who the kids gon' listen to? I feel like there's the biggest void. Got them caring more about the loins than the surface soil. Picture a world full of fuck boys who
Alright,
just
that
don't
guy's
give
dead.
a damn. And so many girls who
Thank
never
you,
got
five.
the chance to make a change. I am not some basic nigga. I think you could use these views. This the shit I think about when I'm at home and feeling
Going right here,
blue. I
TSG.
need something deeper than what we've been given. This is cool. Winter time. Only place you find me is got too much to say.
Oh, cool.
I stay at home on the
I'm gonna go
holidays.
heavy.
Whole body shit, but I'm okay. Namaste, sakase,
Yeah, go back.
KABOODLE, I'm fine.
Stop killing for a second.
Mentally, I feel so far away. But I keep thinking about some dollar signs.
Alright, it's open. Alright, let's go grab some more. Around the back here, there's a whole bunch of modes.
Portal's up.
Alright, I'll go.
You've got no modes, right? Okay.
No modes. I missed him twice. I didn't die, hell yeah.
How many have you deposited so far? TSG?
There's one down here, he is.
I'll clear middle, hold on. Middle's clear, go ahead. Now we can just deposit normally. Don't die if you have any motes. None of us have any motes, so just don't collect any. Hold on.
Yeah, there's two on uh-oh.
He's at bait.
Oh, you've got two. Oh, you've got two motes.
I see him. He's at base. Alright, TSG, are you gonna continue collecting?
Done your hunt, right? We just need to win this round.
Yeah, get 10 more just in case.
Well, one person picking up lets us not die easier, I guess.
That's true. Pretty sure it's I don't see him. Oh, he's
Where is he?
he's just firing. He's right next to me. He's near me. Right next to me.
Shield, shield, shield.
I got him.
Nice.
Ah! Alright, TSG, deposit and let's kill this thing. Alright,
Thanks.
deposit.
Someone help me through the middle, please.
I'm coming.
Alright, I'm gonna invade. Oh,
Go ahead, Silch. Go invade.
ah! I kept getting knocked around by the shield blockers. I couldn't get in. I couldn't get in.
Alright, guys, we gotta burn this.
I couldn't get in. Let me get in.
I'm gonna boop.
I have like nothing to shoot balls with. We need
I still have some boops left.
move the wizard.
Wizard? Okay.
They still have primeval. Oh, nope, they killed it. I mean, wizards, yeah.
Wizard boop.
Invade.
Big guy.
Alright, they're all dead. Alright, let's win the next round as fast as possible.
You already deposited a hundred, right? You busted it by 100.
Alright, don't lose any motes.
No, we should just do the thing where only 2 people collect motes then.
Yeah.
If you collect motes, then...
I will. I have a lot of mobility.
Okay, don't die.
I'm not gonna run in and pull things. Yeah, let's start from the left side.
Because you've got our sleeper and you invade.
Okay, yeah, I won't invade. I mean, I won't collect. There's a phalanx behind y'all.
There's a bunch right next to us.
Yeah, you 3 collect.
all disappearing.
There's a couple back here with me. I collected one.
What the fuck?
You didn't lose them though, right?
No, just they spawned and booped me to death.
Yeah, where you get that?
Uh oh, you've got 3 just so you know.
Look at that dude. Honored Colossus is down. Alright. I'll keep center clear. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna make sure they don't invade. Center's clear.
Portal's up, Sage.
Someone else did.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna collect. I've got 12. Alright, I'm gonna make these 15. Nice, nice. Alright, they got a large to deal with. We should be summoning the Primeval with this bat.
7.
Alright, I'll go bang it.
Invader, invader.
I don't know where he is. He's shooting at me.
Matter now if we die.
I couldn't deposit. I'm gonna go invade.
I don't know where he is.
We don't have any more
Oh, he's
modes.
standing on top of me. He has Nova Warp. He's gonna kill us all. Fine.
It's fine.
There's no, like, you can't stop him. He has Nova Warp.
Alright, there we go. Alright, let's win this. I have 6 heavy ammo.
Nice. Okay, go ahead, boot the boss.
Not heavy.
I'm looking for him. He's not at drill.
I see him. He's in front of me.
Said he's in front of base.
No, in front of me. He's over in this corner. Damn it. He's in our spawn. Whatever.
Alright, I'm out of heavy.
It's fine.
Ah, fuck. Yeah, baby, we did it. Yes! We fucking
Nice.
did it.